Hey, this is more Shaw Outdoors Adventures, and I'm gonna be fishing in this tiny creek like I saw on YouTube. And that guy was catching brims in a smaller creek than back here that's behind my house that's spring water fed. I see some movement. I think we might catch some little brim or something. So y'all just stay tuned, we'll find out what happens. Starting to think ham wasn't my best option. I got a bite. It got gone. I'm gonna go get another piece of ham and we'll see what happens. Bam! 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 Look at that! Look at that! Bam! Tiny fish, man. Look at this. Oh man, look at that beauty. Bam! Tiny little fish. Man, that was awesome. You see it? Let me hold this up. It's not a brim. It's actually a chug minnow. Dang. The opportunity to even catch one of these is very slim to none. Dang. Throw him back in there. Give him another dangle. Bam! Look at that. Oh no. Bam! Look at this beauty. Oh, man, he's a fighter. Look at it. Bam! Beautiful, beautiful chug minnow. Next year I'm going to put up a minnow basket and get some of these catfish wood. Really good about catfishing, bass fishing, anything like that. We'll fish here 3 more times and then we'll move on and try some other spots. I'm gonna move on. I see some more action down through here. We'll check it out. I'll be right back with y'all. Alright, so that day I fished 7 other spots, but I didn't catch anything else. I saw a real big one, about like that long, but I couldn't ever get him hooked. I'm gonna try hot dogs next time. I think that'll work better. Maybe get some smaller brim hooks instead of the cricket hooks, but we'll just, like I said, when it rains too, the water was really down, so no lot of deep pockets downstream to fish out of. So we'll, go back when it rains and stuff. But I appreciate y'all watching. I hope y'all enjoyed it. And I just wanted to give out appreciation to the Zipco dock demons right here. This small little pole. I don't know if you can see it all or not. Probably not. But this small little 4-foot pole or 2-foot pole is just really good for fishing up under docks. And if you want to go behind your house, which I encourage you do, fish out of a tiny creek, see what you catch. You never know. Even though it may be small, don't let it fool you. There's probably something in there. So appreciation to Zipco dock demons, and I appreciate y'all watching. Please subscribe and like. See you next time.